ബയോടോക്സിന്റെ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ആൻജിയോസ്പം അനാട്ടമി മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് സീരീസിലെ 4th ടെസ്റ്റ് സീരീസിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. First question, in dicot plants dash development is centrifugal. Option A phloem, B xylem, C endark, D exarch. Answer is option B xylem. In dicot plants, xylem development is centrifugal. Second question, primary xylem differentiate from A sclerenchyma, B procambium, C cork cambium, D pith. Option B procambium. Primary xylem differentiate from procambium. Third question, cambium is a layer of meristematic cells found in between A parenchyma and sclerenchyma, B phloem and xylem, C medullary ray and pith, D procambium and parenchyma. Answer is option B phloem and xylem. Cambium is a layer of meristematic cells found in between phloem and xylem. Fourth question, protoplasm is the first formed phloem. Protophlorium is the first formed phloem. When the plant body matures, protophlorium either disintegrate or differentiate into A metaphlorium, B sieve elements, C fibers, D all of the above. Answer is option C fibers. Protophlorium disintegrate or differentiate into fibers. Last question, vascular bundles are closed type in A monocots, B dicots, C both A and B, D bryophytes. Answer is option A monocots. Vascular bundles are closed type in monocots.